Hello guys, this is our day 18 and yes, we have completed our day 17. And yes, what we are doing our daily tasks to improve our English. And yes, if you are a beginner like me and yes, if you want to become confident in English and also fluent in English, then yes, this channel is for you. So be with me regularly so that we can improve our English and we can record our daily videos so that we will see how we will improve in that day. Okay. So today's our topic is no one clap on us on day one. Means first we will see what day one really means. Day one really means on day one we don't have that much of information. On day one we are just trying to speak anyhow. It's a broken English or whatever it is. So that is our day one. On day one we don't have that much information, so we feel nervous, we feel hesitate, we don't have confidence. Yes, so that is our day one. At day one, no one just means try to follow us, like that. Take my example, that is my YouTube channel. Yes, on day one, where it is on day one, now it is, yes, not that much subscriber, yes, but yes, there is little but subscriber is there. But most of the people want a full result product. Means if someone is talking very much good, or if they are expert in that, then only people that follow that person or that channel. But people will not see that struggle, that yes, she is making daily video, she is trying to improve her English, and yes, we have to start with her. But they want only the fully product, but they are not seeing that yes, she is doing struggle, and she is showing all the things. If she is making mistake while talking, then also she is showing to you, rather than feeling that yes, what people judge us, rather than feeling nervous. Okay, if they are if she or he sharing all of the information with you, if that is the broken English, broken grammar, or whatever it is, but she's sharing with you, she's struggling, but people they don't see that. Okay, do you know that people why people not subscribing, or why people not see the videos of beginners? They feel that she doesn't know the English, then how she will speak, and then how she will grow us also. First you speak, first you learn, first you build, then only you tell us that what we have to do. Means they want only fully result, they means they want only fully product. But yes, I am uploading video from my starting days, I am making so much mistake, then only I am uploading it, I am not hiding anything, as you know that. Okay, means do you know that people will other people just feel uncomfortable. Okay, they will not subscribing you, they will, why they will not subscribing you? Because people just your growth makes people uncomfortable. Why your growth makes people uncomfortable? As we know that all people want, we know that all people are selfish, that they want their growth but they don't want others growth. Means if the she or he is starting a new channel, then they don't subscribe it. But we have to follow all. And yes, she is beginner and she is daily uploading their video, and she is trying to speak in English, then people have to follow her. If people will follow her, then she become more confident, and yes, she is trying to speak more fluently. Yes, but people don't see that, but just let it be. For example, now I'm uploading video, but many people not watching that video. Let it be. Yes, one day we will grow, one day I will become fluent, and one day I know that uh, um, I have completed my subscriber earlier. I will complete it. I know that. But yes, I'm telling to you that people just want fully product. Means people want only experts. Okay, but from my point of view, people have to see the struggles of the girl, struggle of the boy that he or she is doing regularly, so that she will improve. Okay, so that is the, if you are starting to talk in English and if you feel nervous that I am starting on the same day and she is starting on the same day, then why she is become that much of fluent and I am not, then don't feel like that. Why? Because for example, taking the example of my channel, yes, I am started my channel, that is January 9. And yes, there are some more people, they have also started their channel on 5 January, 4 January, okay, on 9 January, or after my channel, but they have more subscriber than me. Then yes, I want to say like that yes, they have that much of subscriber, then why I'm not, because I'm uploading my video from early from that person, then why they have more subscriber than I have not. If we are seeing regularly that yes, I have that much of subscriber and that person have that much of subscriber, then why I am not. So don't feel like that, because we know that don't focus on output, just focus on input. And yes, we know that one day we will get top, and yes, one day we will get also so much subscriber. So you have to do like that, just focus on your doing, don't focus on your output, and do practice with me regularly so that you will also improve your English. And yes, we all know that yes, we are doing regularly practice, and English is just a means of practice. Means it just not means of talented person or expert person. If we have consistency, if we have regularity, then one day we will also become fluent. Yes, so be with me regularly, and you have to also practice regularly. Don't see towards your output. Yes, uh, read regularly daily one book. Means I'm not saying that regularly read all the book at the same time. Take one book and continue that one book with 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, and like that you will improve your vocabulary also, so that you will improve your English language and you will also become confident in English. So just be with me regularly, we will practice daily, and we will notice that also after 30 days. This is the 30-day journey, so I will tell you uh, regularly that what I am doing. I'm showing you that what I am regularly doing to improve my English. After 30 days we will see what changes are there, so what we have to improve more. After 30 days we will see, and after 30 days I'm uploading the videos also, that what we have to improve, where there is a chances that we will get improved, where there is we will make so much mistake. Yes, I know that I'm making so much mistake, then only you will see my video, you watch regularly, you all people are subscribe me, that's thank you for that. And be with me regularly so that we can daily practice like that. And yes, if you know about me, then I will tell you about me after I have gained 500 subscribers. So until then, be with me regularly. So that's it for today. We have completed our day 80, and we will meet tomorrow. Okay, bye. Please like, share and comment, and also subscribe so that you will get my video early. Hello guys, this is our day 18, and yes, we have completed our day 70.
all know that
And
what
yes,
is
what
feeling.
we are doing our
Today
daily
is
tasks to
26th
improve our
January.
English.
Yes.
And yes,
Do
if
you
you
know
are
the
a beginner
difference
like
between
me,
26th
and yes,
January
if you want
and
to become
15th
confident in
August?
English and also
Means
fluent
most
in
of the
English,
people
then
were
yes,
confused in
this
that
channel
that
is
is
for you.
which is the Republic Day
So
and
be
which is
with
the
me
Independence
regularly
Day.
so that we can improve our
So I
English
will tell
and we
you
can
that
record our daily videos
in
so
15th
that
August we
we
can
will
say
see
that is
how
this is the
we will
Independence Day.
improve in
And
that day.
now today, what
Okay.
is today? Today is
So
the
today's our
Republic Day.
topic is no one clap on
I
us
will tell you
on day
first
one.
that is what is
Means first
26th
we will see
January
what day
because
one
today is
really means.
26th January.
Day one really
26th January in
means
this day,
on day one we don't have
our
that much of information.
constitution
On
has
day
come.
one we are just
What is
trying
mean by
to
constitution?
speak
Constitution
anyhow.
is it is like a
It's a
book.
broken
Means
English or
in which there
whatever
is
it is.
rules, laws.
So that is our day
Okay,
one. On
there
day
is
one we
rules,
don't have
laws
that
for
much
all the
information, so
people.
we feel
When we
nervous,
got
we
freedom
feel hesitate,
in
we don't
15th
have
August, at that time
confidence.
we are free.
Yes.
Okay, we
So that
have
is our day one.
right to freedom, right to study,
At day
right to
one,
learn.
no
Like that, we
one
have the
just
rights. After that,
means
we
try
have
to
all
follow
freedom.
us.
But after
Try like
that, there
that.
is
Take my
constitution come
example,
in
that
the
is my YouTube channel.
1950.
Yes,
That is 26th
on day
January
one, where it is
1950.
on day one. Now it
Every
is,
year,
yes,
this
not
day
that
is
much
celebrated
subscriber.
as
Yes, but yes, there is little
that
but
is
subscriber
Republic
is
Day.
there. But
And after that is
most of
the
the people
26th January
want a full
1950.
result
After
product.
that
Means
day,
if
every
someone is
year it is
talking very
celebrated
much
as
good,
Republic Day.
or if they are
Okay,
expert in that, then only people
in that
follow
day,
that person or
all the
that channel.
people
But
means
people
we
will
feel
not
that
see
yes,
that
we are the
struggle that
citizen of our
yes,
country and
she is
we
making
want to do
daily
something for our
video, she is
country,
trying to
because
improve her
at
English,
this
and
day
yes, we have to
constitution come
start
in the power.
with her.
Means you
But
look
they want only
past,
the
that is
fully product,
there
but
is
they are
before
not
the
seeing
freedom there
that
is
yes,
one king,
she is doing
one
struggle,
king or
and
one
she is
foreign minister.
showing all the
Means they
things.
had
If
all the
she
power
is making mistake
to
while
work on
talking,
the
then also she
to
is
rule on
showing to
the
you,
nation.
rather
Okay,
than feeling that
but
yes,
now
what people
that
judge
is not
us,
happen because
rather than
all
feeling
people take
nervous.
their own
Okay,
decision and there is
if they
a
are
top vote, that is the
if
supreme.
she
From this
or he
constitution day,
sharing all of
there
the
is a from this
information with
constitution
you,
day,
if
there is
that
that
is the
is
broken
the
English, broken grammar, or
our
whatever it is,
means
but
we
she's
feel that
sharing
yes,
with
we are the
you, she's
citizen of our
struggling, but
city.
people they don't
We
see
have to
that.
feel that
Okay,
yes, we have to do something for our city
do
or
you know
for
that
something for our society.
people
And
why
you know
people not
that that is the 15
subscribing, or
August
why
we got
people not
freedom.
see the
We
videos of
are under the
beginners?
British rule.
They feel
Okay, there are
that
so much freedom fighter like Bhagat
she
Singh,
doesn't know the
Jawaharlal
English, then
Nehru.
how she will
We
speak,
have to
and then
say
how she
proudly
will
that yes,
grow
because of
us also.
they,
First you
now we
speak,
are free.
first you
Okay,
learn,
if
first
they
you
are not there,
build,
then
then
now also
then
we are
only
under the
you
British rule.
tell
Because
us that
but
what
because
we
of
have
them
to do.
we got
Means
freedom
they
on
want only
15th
fully
August.
result, they
And
means they
now
want
this
only
day
fully
is said
product.
as the
But
Constitution
yes,
Day. Why this
I am
day is said
uploading
as
video from my
Constitution Day?
starting
Because
days, I am
after
making so
getting
much
freedom,
mistake, then only I am uploading
we
it, I am
want
not
some
hiding
direction.
anything,
Okay,
as you
we
know
want
that.
some direction to live
Okay,
our life.
means
Then
do you know
this
that
direction is written in that
people
constitution.
will
Constitution is
other
simple like a
people
book in which
just
there is
feel
laws, equalities.
uncomfortable.
From this day, there is
Okay,
no people
they
is
will not
rich or
subscribing you,
poor.
they will,
All the
why they will
people
not
can in the
subscribing you,
equality.
because people
Okay, means firstly there is
people
like
just
this is the
your
king of
growth
our
makes people
society. This is the
uncomfortable.
Raja.
Why your growth
Like
makes
that there is
people
a
uncomfortable? As
before
we know
getting the
that
freedom, but after the
all people
constitution
want.
there is no one that likes
We know
because
that
people
all
take
people are
their own
selfish,
decision and there is only
that
the
they
supreme
want their growth,
which
but
take
they
all the
don't want
decision
the
and
others'
all the
growth.
people
Means
are in the same.
if the
Equality,
she
we
or
have
he is
equality,
starting a
we
new
have
channel,
laws,
then they don't
we have
subscribe
the
it.
rules in that constitution
But
and we
we
all to
have to
follow.
follow all, and yes, she is beginner and she is
Simply
daily
means what is Republic Day
uploading
and what is
their
Independence
video,
Day.
and she
Simply
is
means
trying to speak in
that
English, then
Independence
people
Day
have to follow,
is referred to
people have
freedom.
to
Means at
follow
that time we
her.
got freedom.
If people will follow
And
her,
while moving
then she
towards that
become more
is
confident, and
today,
yes, she is trying to speak
Republic
more
Day.
fluently. Yes,
Republic Day
but
means
people
constitution.
don't see
This
that,
refers to
but
constitution and
just
that is
let
refers
it
to
be.
freedom. Constitution.
For example,
Means
now I'm
15th
uploading video,
August
but
gives us freedom
many people
and
not
26th
watching that
January
video.
said that
Let it
how
be.
to live
Yes,
by
one day we
getting
will
that
grow,
freedom
one day I
which
will
will
become
give by
fluent, and
our
one day
great
I know
freedom
that
fighters.
uh,
Okay,
um, I have completed my
Let me know in the
subscriber
comment section. Do you
earlier.
understand
I will
that what is
complete it.
meaning
I
of
know
that is
that. But
Republic
yes,
Day and
I'm telling
Independence
to
Day?
you
If you
that
don't
people
know
just
until
want
now,
fully product, means
okay.
people want only
That is
experts.
our day
Okay,
today. That is
but
the 26th
from my point
January.
of view, people have
So
to
this is
see the
the this day
struggles
is very
of
much
the girl,
important for all the
struggle of the
citizens.
boy that
In this day,
he or
we
she is
know that we have to
doing regularly, so
we know
that
that
she will
everyone is
improve.
equal. There is a
Okay,
policy come that
so that is the,
constitution come that we have the rights, we
if you
have
are
all the
starting to
duties,
talking in English and if you
and
feel
Republic
nervous
Day reminds us that
that
no one is
I am
above the law,
starting on the same day
not the
and she
rich,
is
not
starting
the
on the
poor, not
same
even
day,
the
then
dead.
why she is become
Being
that
a
much
good
of fluent and I
citizen
am
is
not?
not only
Then don't feel
the
like that.
wearing
Why?
the flag.
Because,
We
for
have to
example,
follow
taking the
all the
example
rules
of my
to being
channel.
a good
Yes,
citizen.
I'm
And yes, we
started my
have to
channel,
do something
that
for
is
our
January
city
9.
and to become
And
a
yes, there
good
are some
citizen.
more people, they
To
have also
become a good
started their
citizen, we
channel
have to
on
follow
5 January, 4
rules,
January,
respect
okay,
others, being
on 9
honest,
January,
helping to
or
others.
after my channel,
Okay,
but they
this day
have more
is means
subscriber than
something
me.
that
Then
we got
yes,
freedom. After
I
that,
want to say like that,
we
that
want some
yes, they have that much
direction
of
to
subscriber, then why
live our
I'm not?
life. So
Because
this
I'm
day
uploading
tells
my
us that we have that
video from
rules,
early
and we have all people have
early
to follow
from
this.
that person,
There is no
then why
rich, no poor,
they have
no
more
king, no
subscriber
raja,
than I have not?
no all that thing.
If
Only
we are
the thing
seeing
is that
regularly that yes,
all
I
people
have
come
that much
in
of
that line
subscriber and
and
that
all have
person
to
have
follow
that
this
much of
constitution and
subscriber,
these
then
rules.
why I
So
am
we can
not?
also say this day
So
as constitution
don't
day.
feel like that,
Okay,
because
I think
we
you
know
know that
that
what is in by
don't
26th
focus on
January, and
output, just
yes, we
focus
have
on
talked
input. And yes,
about
we
that.
know that one day we will get
So if
top,
you
and
have
yes,
any
one day
query
we will get
regarding
also
this
so much
day or
subscriber.
regarding anything, then
So
let me know.
you have to
Okay,
do like
so
that,
simply
just focus on
freedom,
your
freedom
doing,
gives us
don't focus
independence,
on your
and the
output,
constitution
and do practice with me
taught us
regularly
that
so that you
how
will
to
also
live.
improve your English.
Okay,
And yes, we all know that yes, we
we
are doing
have
regularly
India,
practice,
strong
and English
India.
is just a
They want the
means of practice, means it's just
responsible
not means of
citizens, and the
talented
citizen
person or
who
expert
do
person.
something for their city.
If we
Okay,
have
so this day
consistency, if we
reminds
have
us, yes,
regularity,
we
then
have the
one day
citizen
we
of
will
our
also
country
become
and we
fluent.
have to do something
Yes,
for our society.
so be with me
Okay,
regularly, and you
you know
have to
that
also
our
practice
great
regularly.
freedom
Don't see
fighter,
towards your output.
that is the Bhagat
Yes,
Singh, Rani
uh,
Lakshmibai.
read
Because of
regularly, daily
that,
one
and
book.
many there are
Means
many,
I'm not
and
saying
because
that
of that we
regularly read
got
all
freedom
the
from
book
British rule.
at the same time.
And
Take
this
one
day,
book and continue that one book
British
with
control ended and some
1 or 2 weeks.
come in the
Okay, and
industry,
like that you
in the
will improve
society,
your
sorry.
vocabulary also,
And
so
yes,
that
we
you
have
will
to follow
improve
that
your
constitution to
English language, and
live
you will
our
also
life
become confident in English.
nicely.
So
Okay,
just be with
so
me
thank
regularly,
you.
we
This
will
is
practice
our
daily, and we will
and
notice
happy
that
Independence
also
Day to
after
all.
30 days. This is the
So
30-day
let's
journey,
get
so I will tell you uh,
completed. Our task is
regularly
completed.
that what
That we
I am
have to
doing.
talk something on
I am
this day,
showing you
and
that
this day
what
is
I
very
am
important
regularly
for
doing to
all of
improve my
us. And
English.
this
After
day we
30
have
days, we will see
holiday also.
what changes are there.
So you have
So,
holiday, but
what we
I
have to
don't have.
improve
But
more.
yes,
After 30
all
days, we will
have
see.
holiday. So
And after
thank
30
you.
days, I am uploading the videos
Like,
also,
share,
that
and
what
comment,
we have to
and also
improve.
subscribe. Thank you.
Where there is a chances that we will get improved. Where there is, we will make so much mistake. Yes, I know that I am making so much mistake. Then only you will see my video, you watch regularly, you all people have subscribed me. That's, thank you for that. And be with me regularly so that we can daily practice like that. And yes, if you know about me, then I will tell you about me after I have gained 500 subscribers. So until then, be with me regularly. So that's it for today. We have completed our day 80, and we will meet tomorrow. Okay, bye. Please like, share, and comment, and also subscribe so that you will get my video early.